Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to build an email template on HubSpot. So before we get started, you can get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot with our link in the description below, so make sure to head over to that and try for yourself, as it is going to be providing you a lot of value and ability to test for yourself. So yeah, now in order to create a page, email or blog templates in the layout editor in HubSpot, you can follow along these simple steps. So what you need to do is to create a new template in your HubSpot account, navigate to marketing, then files and template, then design tools. Once you are on design tools, at the top of the finder, click on file and then in new file. So you can see we have this file drop down. We are going to be clicking on that, and after that we are going to be clicking on new file. Alright, so once we are on the new file section, in the dialog box will appear. Click on what would you like to build today, drop down menu and select drag and drop, then click next. Now here in the template you can change a few things, like for example blog, email, page and system. Here you need to simply enter a file name. When you're done, click on create and structure and customize your template. You can add more modules to your template using inspector on the top right hand side of your designer manager. Click on plus add in the inspector to search for modules to add to your drag and drop template layout. To customize the styling of your template, you can use the options in the inspector. If no specific modules are selected, you can add styling to your head and template itself. Click on module or group to access styling options specific for that to that component. And yeah, so basically you can see we have this head and body options, and in the additional head tag markup you can simply add body classes and inline body styling. So preview and publish your template. So now once you made all of these changes, you can preview and publish your template. So basically you simply need to click on the drop down menu called preview on the top, click on live preview with display options, and once you finalize the template, click on publish changes in upper right corner. So you can see publish changes is here, and yeah, you are pretty much good to go. So that's a pretty simple process on how you can do so. And before we get to the end, you can get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot with our link in the description below. So it is really important to check that out, as it is going to be providing you a lot of value as mentioned earlier. So yeah, with that being said, that's the end, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of tutorials.